Hello, Denton ISD family. I'm Dr. Susannah O'Bara, Superintendent of Schools. It's hard to believe we are already 2 weeks into the new school year, and what a wonderful start it has been. Our hallways are full of energy, our classrooms are full of learning, and across every campus, students and teachers are building the relationships that make a great year possible. Those first 2 weeks are so important. They are when routines take shape, when a student finds a teacher who will believe in them all year long, and when a new campus starts to feel like home. Thank you to our families for the smooth start, and to our teachers and staff who worked so hard to make those first days welcoming for every student. Now here's a look at what took place at last night's board meeting. The meeting opened with the pledges of allegiance led by students from Sam Houston Elementary. They stepped up to lead with confidence and enthusiasm, offering all of us a glimpse of the bright future ahead for Denton ISD. The board then recognized several outstanding students and campuses. First, 3 Denton ISD singers were selected for the Texas Choral Directors Association Honor Choir and performed at the association's annual convention this summer. Selection is highly competitive, earned through recorded auditions evaluated by choral directors from across the state. Congratulations to Allison Taylor and Alex Owen, who are both at Hawk Elementary and are now at Crownover Middle School, and to Mia Smart, also of Crownover, along with the directors who guided them. It is truly an exceptional achievement. The board also honored 3 high school musicians named Outstanding Performers at the UIL Texas State Solo and Ensemble Contest. It is the highest individual honor available to a Texas student musician, awarded to fewer than 3% of the soloists who reach the state contest. Congratulations to Mark Eads of Geyer High School, to Nicholas Schiller and to Wesley Duesenberg of Braswell High School, and to the directors who prepared them. Finally, the board celebrated Bell Elementary and Cheek Middle School, both named National PTA Schools of Excellence. This recognition honors schools and PTAs that work together to build strong family-school partnerships. At Bell, the PTA expanded communication with families and hosted a free spring family dance that welcomed more than 200 attendees. At Cheek, the PTA launched a family talent directory, inviting families to share their expertise and talents, and the percentage of families who felt the school asked about their talents grew from 38% to 80%. Congratulations to both campuses, their PTA boards, and the families who make that partnership possible. During the workshop portion of the meeting, the board received 4 updates. The first was the annual State of the Council report from the Denton ISD Council of PTAs. Our 41 PTAs now include 9,802 members, an all-time high, and gave nearly 168,000 volunteer hours last year across a wide range of programs. To every PTA member, volunteer, and leader, thank you. The hours you give, so often behind the scenes, are one of the biggest reasons our campuses thrive. The board also received our annual Fine Arts update. 96% of our middle school students and 88% of our high school students are enrolled in a fine arts course. And students who stay in fine arts all 4 years graduate at a rate of 99.2%. Last year, our students earned all-state honors in music and dance, a state championship in theatrical design, and national recognition for our band programs. And 57 seniors signed to continue in the arts in college with a combined $2 million in scholarships. None of that happens by accident. It comes from directors who ask a great deal of their students and students who rise to meet it in rehearsal halls and art rooms long before anyone sees the finished performance. Next came our annual athletics update. Across 28 programs, Denton ISD celebrated individual and team state championships. 845 varsity scholar athletes and 125 academic all-state recipients. 77 student athletes signed to compete in college with a combined $4.6 million in scholarships. Behind every one of those numbers is a coach who showed up early, stayed late, and cared as much about the young person as the athlete. That is the standard our programs are built on. And finally, the board reviewed Denton ISD's legislative priorities for the upcoming session. The district will advocate for funding to accompany any new state requirement, recurring compensation increases for teachers and staff, full funding for campus safety and special education, and to maintain local decision-making that directly impacts our district. The message behind these priorities is a simple one. We want as many resources as possible reaching our classrooms, our teachers, and our students. We will continue working alongside our legislators and advocating for our students, our staff, and our schools. If you'd like to review presentations or materials from the meeting, they are available on the Board of Trustees webpage on the district website. Our next board meeting will take place on Tuesday, September 22nd, and we look forward to sharing another recap with you then. Before we close, I'd like to invite all of you to Denton ISD Day on Saturday, September 12th, when the University of North Texas hosts our district as the Mean Green takes on UNLV. Students, families, staff, and community members can purchase tickets for just $10, and the day begins with a pregame celebration and performances by our own Denton ISD student musicians and performers. It is a wonderful chance to come together as a district, celebrate our students, and enjoy a day of college football. You can grab your tickets using the link on the bottom of your screen. Thank you for staying engaged and for the positive start to the school year you have helped shape for our students. We are grateful for your partnership, and we are excited about everything still ahead of us. We appreciate you staying connected, and we'll continue sharing these updates so you'll always know what's happening and how we're moving forward together in Denton ISD.